Again, I didn't mean to make a part 2, and I don't hate everything about this, but I'm not as in love with it as I could be, and maybe I would love it if I waited until tomorrow. But really what I want is the opportunity to see if I've got a swipe tool and just go ahead and swipe and see what happens. Because I can. This is my black acrylic enamel from Folk Art. It's a gloss. That's my 24 karat gold from Dec Art Americana. This is my opportunity to add some reds where I didn't have any before, especially over that green spot I really didn't like. And if I want anything else, I ought to put it in there. And here goes nothing. I am going to make sure there's paint all over that and it touches the edges. Sometimes I like accidental art like this, and we'll see what I can do with it in a moment. I'm going to use all of my paint on the edges, and I might grab an OXO omelet turning spatula. And attempt to scrape up some of my paint. And put it down. What? Without paint chips, please. Now, if I want some more on there, and I kind of do, I can take one of my little swipe cards, I have one left, and add some more gold, which I think I'm going to like this actually. Just drag that all the way through. I'm just bound and determined to make green. When things go sideways with them. So that is pretty cool and very unexpected and totally okay with me. And if I want something else in there, like a little bit of orange, right there, I can put it in there. I like the different patterns showing through from behind. If I want something else, I can have it. Doesn't look like anybody else is anything, and that is okay with me. I am an abstract expressionist, and I have just expressed abstractionism. I abstracted one painting and made it into another one. And I've got my edges to cover, and I can do that in a while. I want to look at this for a second. Maybe stick my finger in a couple of the gaps in the end. I really, really, really want some of that Venetian blue. Not sure why I want it so bad, but I want it. It just sings to me. Yeah, I like that. And I don't just like that. I like the idea of, oh, you know what? That's going to darken up too much. So I've got the purple flash, which will help keep that lighter. And I can use some of that to camouflage those little vertical marks. It's just, oh, and it makes beautiful blue with the black. I forget that sometimes. So what else do I want? I kind of want some red right there. All right, so that's different. I didn't really hate that other thing, but I love to experiment. This is a good experiment. Just using my card and the residuals that are on it. Very light touch. I could put some more white in there. I could use the white I've got. And any other spots. I can't seem to stop the voice in my head that's telling me I want turquoise. This is so cool. So I'll see how I feel about it by just using a little bit. And I like it a lot, so I'm going to do some more if I can. Just rest that in there ever so slightly. Do I see any other places I want to put it? I'm not sure yet. Yep, not minding that. That is a turquoise, probably a turquoise flash from Folk Art color shifting paint. But I am not sure right now. All my paints are mixed in squeeze bottles. My paint pouring recipe is below the video. I'm not sure if I mentioned that in the last video or not. This is bugging me a little bit right here, and I think if I put some of that in there, I'll be happier. I want to wipe off my skewer. There, we got some horizontals and some verticals and some cells, and all kinds of exciting things are going on in there. And I like it a lot. Do I have any white? Nope, that's the wrong skewer. I see a little gap. So I'm going to give myself a gap filler. And I wanted to see what adding some white in there would be like anyway, and I'm good with it. I love those little leftover marks. They're fabulous. I'm very happy that I swiped. I gave myself a chance to play, and now I'm going to torch. I'm glad I didn't torch the last time. Do I really, really want to torch yet? Ha! Sorry about the bang. Yeah, I could really do anything I wanted in there right now. I kind of want some more yellow. Why do I want some more yellow? I don't know. Because I like the little spots that it's showing up in. it just adds a tiny little touch of zing. I'll be good. I'm done. Alright, so what did I not tell you last time? I told you everything. And I'll remind you, check those 1,500 videos on my created playlists, under all playlists on my YouTube channel. Look for the monthly exhibition video on the end screens in the last 20 seconds to see what I did last month. And included there you will find the monthly drawing prizes for October or whatever month is current. And anybody who contributes to help keep the studio rolling, and thank you everyone who has. You can use PayPal or Patreon. I prefer PayPal. The icons are on the bottom right-hand corner of my YouTube channel. Also on my YouTube channel, you will find tomorrow's video on the community board. And I told you about the Facebook groups in the last video. I don't know if you heard me or not. So I just love this being weird. I need it to be weird, and I got it. And I've always wanted to really just experiment with showing through the basting brush, and I'm just so pleased you could be here. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for watching longer. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for the thumbs up. Really appreciate that. And you can never trust me to be done. Hopefully that's not a bad thing. Guys, take care of yourselves, take care of each other. I will see you anon. I'm sure I forgot to tell you something, but I'm sure if you watch some more videos, you'll find out what it was. Not a problem. Bye for now. Ooh, I can zoom in. You should be graced with some of that. That is some cool stuff. And any little spaces, I can just stuff something into. I love you guys. I will see you anon. Bye for now. Priscilla out.